Hey guys, in this video we'll try to see what is express routing parameters. So let's view the documentation. So I am inside express.js.com and I'm in the routing.html. So what are routing parameters? Routing parameters are named URL segments that are used to capture the values of specified at their position in the URL. So basically, like if you want to add any particular value inside a URL, suppose that you are creating a book website and you want the user to display the book according to the author that the user have requested for. So the user can go to this location and request for any author, and based on the author that user has requested, will give it some response. So like that is why we use route parameters. So to use the route parameters, it's super easy. Just like set up a constant express, set up a constant application, and in the app.get method you need to write this double colon and the ID that you want to actually give. So I'll just try that here in my Visual Studio Code. So I'll create a new file here called app.js. I'll open my terminal and install all those packages. So I'll just type npm init -y and I'll install npm iexpress. Okay, let's get that over here. Okay, so I'll type here constant express is equal to require express. Okay, and constant app is equal to we are using express. Now we are specifying app.get anything inside this root directory. If we'll get anything inside this root directory, we'll set up a request and response. So request and response, and in the response let's try to send hello. Okay, after that let's listen to some ports. So app.listen on port 5555, and just let's set up a small callback console.log running. Okay, now let's try to run this node app.js. So node app.js. Let's go on to port 5555. So localhost 5555, we get hello. Okay, so now what are express routing parameter? Suppose that here if the user go on this author directory, this author path, then I want to give it another response, and if the user go on maybe suppose like footballers path, then I want to give it another response. So I'll set up that over here. So I'll type here app.get. Now here I want to inject a variable here. So let's first of all let's try to inject called user. Okay, just try and inject user here. After that let's set up request response, and in response let's console log the request. Console console.log request.params. So run that again. Okay, localhost 5555 user. We got this ID user that is over here, and the user that the thing that the user have typed is user. Okay, now let's change it to maybe path. I got path. Now you can see that over here I got path. Let's change it to maybe author. I got author. Let's change it to be footballer. I got footballer. Okay, now we'll set up a simple if else statement that if the user has typed author, I will type here someone is my favorite author, and if the user has typed footballer here, I'll type here something is my favorite football. So let's set up that. So if request dot params dot user, let's see, you can see that it's an object here. You can see that it's an object here, and the object is called user. You can do, I can just change it from here. That is maybe getting. Okay, if request.params.getting is equal to author, if that is author, sorry, then I need to send a response. Then response dot send, yeah, J.K. Rowling is my favorite author. I hope I have typed the right spelling. And wait a second. Okay, and or else if request.params.getting is equal to footballer. If that is equal to footballer, I need to send response dot send Ronaldo is my favorite footballer. Okay, else if nothing matches what we want, then I want to send response dot send right author or footballer. Okay, and if the user okay, let's see what happened. Let's run that again. Let's try to go on. Let's remove these two tabs here, and here let's try to go on localhost 5555 slash author. Okay, right, AUTHOR, author or footballer. That triggered my else statement just because my parameter doesn't match either author or footballer. So what's my parameter? My parameter is AUHOR. If I type here AUTHOR, then I get J.K. Rowling is my favorite author. And if I type here FWTBALLER footballer, then I got Ronaldo is my favorite footballer. Okay, I hope I have typed the wrong spelling. Ronaldo. Okay, this is the basic way how you can use this route parameters on Express. If you want to know more, you can read this full documentation. That you can do a lot of things to create a response parameter, and this is the basic one. So guys, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll meet on another video. Till then, thanks for watching.